Hello, guys. Okay, today I am here with my friend, Renata. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so we're just kind of hanging around Royal High because we're bored. We have, nothing else to do in life.
I'm leaving, lady.
Alright, bye-bye. It's not like we're friends anyways.
Person, you're
I'm
coming
gonna
with
just
me.
jump. Yeah. Oh!
What?
I jumped down and my body flipped.
Yeah, that's what always happens to me,
Oh my
lady.
god. I feel so bad for us.
Yeah.
Because, the girls, they get makeup. That is really stereotypical. Don't get me wrong. And then the boys, they get a TV and bean bags.
So not fair.
Not fair. Okay, we're gonna go get our dorm now, because we
Yeah.
totally forgot about that.
Person, wait for me. I'm super slow.
What's your favorite class? Oh, what just happened?
Well, usually it's art, but come on. Oh, people just said, what is your favorite class?
Yeah, I know. That's why I said that. Oh my god, they replied art. Honestly, my favorite class is English. It's really easy.
Well, yeah, you're right, because, you already know English, so.
Or computer, I don't know.
No, don't go there,
No.
go there, lady, don't go
I'm just
there.
looking if that one's free.
It's not for you. I already checked there like a million times.
Well, this is a different server, so
Oh, you're right.
you never know.
Oh, up here, person, up here.
Oh my god, there's one. Okay.
Is that
Since I'm too lazy to walk up the stairs and you have to jump, I'm just gonna fly.
You know that I literally said that you. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Yes, there are two that are free.
It is?
Yeah, it's free.
Yay!
Woo!
So we still get the balcony. Wait, up here. Look.
Wait, no, there's one down here. I just claimed it.
But this is. Oh, look.
Is it free?
Yes.
Oh, that's the one. I think that's the one with the good balcony.
Yes, one.
Oh wait, no, this isn't the one with the good balcony.
How do you
I'll
know?
see because I just know. Dang it! Someone took the one with the good balcony. Okay, we'll just keep that one.
Okay, sure. I'll put it back. Come on, get in your key. Get in your thingy.
Okay, which bedroom? I just claimed my bedroom.
Okay, I clean my bedroom. Let's check this because it's the only one. Cool balcony. Ooh, it shows the football field.
This is the one with the cool balcony.
Wow.
Look at the other
I told you
balconies.
that I did the right one.
Look at the other balconies.
Oh, that's so bad. I told you I did the right thing to choose this one because I knew that it was
Yes,
the one
okay.
with the good balcony. This person, where'd you go?
I just went inside.
You're still recording.
Yeah, I'm still recording. Okay. Do you like my bed?
I love it. Let me go see mine.
My room's black and white.
What? What?
You can color it if you want. You can
How?
You go to dorm, press on dorm,
Oh.
and then I think.
No, it's not working.
Oh yeah, it's not working for me neither.
You can stop working, Baxter.
They see people. Oh my gosh, Christopherson's face. Christopherson's really dopey. I get an air conditioner.
How's he dopey? What
Look,
do
you can
do?
look. Press on the thing. Look.
That's so cool.
Okay, if you press on it, you can go and buy stuff.
Come on, buy stuff. Let's go. I already have them.
I have no idea what to buy.
I'm the mermaid.
Whew. Bad luck wings. I want that.
Bad luck wings? What are they?
They're
But
not
they're
for
not
sale,
for
though.
sale.
I know. That's why I said I wanted them.
Bad luck.
Ooh, these are cute.
I'm a mermaid.
Oh my god! What the heck? That is really creepy.
I know, I'm a
Wait,
mermaid.
I'm gonna show you all of my wings. Okay, so this is my first one, Icicle.
Whoa, I only
Then I have Tidal Wave.
Because, my mom's leaving.
Then I have Evil Intentions,
Oh,
Soft
that's what I have.
Sands, and Dark Universe.
I have soft sand.
It makes you look like Tinkerbell.
Really?
Yeah.
Go back to normal, you person.
Oh my god, that is so creepy.
What?
These are my wings.
Ah.
You want to see the
Get
wings
that
that I
thing
dream
out
of
of me.
having? Okay, wait, go to wearing. Did you even buy that thing? That's kind of creepy.
I did.
Oh my god, wait, what the heck?
What the heck?
Oh my god. Wait. Oh, what's going on? Wait, do you have any designs? Do you have any designs?
No. How do you make them?
You just press empty outfit slot. But you don't want to make that one of your designs, do you? Okay.
I'm gonna create a new one. What's that?
You have to give it a name. ERRR. Return. Save name. Now, if you say in the chat, that outfit will come up. Okay. Wait. Reset your thing so you can
Wait, how many?
I think it's that many R's.
Like my design. R. Okay.
3 R's. See?
R. What the?
Okay, wait. Try taking that off. I like how we have little changing things when when people know we're changing.
Yay.
Okay.
Yay. Yay. What the heck?
Okay. Anyways, just try to put your outfit back on.
I'm gonna try to, but you can't judge me if it doesn't work.
Okay.
Please work. No, that doesn't work. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, my hair's black. And
I never reset my hair. I never reset my hair. How do you reset it? How do you reset it? I look creepy.
Let's go. Okay, first, put your outfit back. There you go. Go to inventory.
Reset.
Yes, reset.
What am I?
Oh, I'm still wearing it. Oh my god. Wait, reset your whole character in there.
How do you do that?
I really hope that works. Reset character.
Die.
I really hope that works.
Die.
Doi.
Doi.
Yes, it's all. Okay, now put your outfit back.
Put my outfit back. Yes.
Never wear that again. Promise me.
Yes, I'll promise.
Okay, wait. Are those my glasses? Yes, I want my glasses.
Wait, how do you get glasses?
Oh, I got them from the wheel. Should I wear this hat? It's a Sunday best hat.
Yeah, you should wear it. Oh,
it looks like that.
Yeah, I got the Sunday best hat.
It looks like that.
Yeah. Yeah, you should.
Oh my god, my dog has to bark like every 3 seconds.
I know.
Oh my god, someone's at our door.
Really? How do you know? Oh, probably because
the cool balcony.
Yeah, probably because I left. Oh, I need to change my hair on my face. I forgot all about that, and I was like, oh my gosh.
Okay, now I have my hat on. So, yes, you still have the dorm, don't worry.
Yes. Someone came in the door?
Yep, they're going away now. No! They got in. They got inside.
No. They got inside.
Is there any way I can kick them out?
Yes. Tell them that you're reporting them.
Wait, get out. Her name is Snow. She's not pretty. Look at that face.
That's the horrible little avatar one.
Yes.
Don't do a PE.
Oh my god, she won't get out.
Tell her you're reporting her, lady. Actually, just report her.
This is
Not mine. That's mine? No.
room. That's your bedroom.
I guess I'm not on the same server as you.
Wait. No, the dorms are down there.
Oh, I guess they're down there. See? Oh, I see snow.
No, it's not. See? It's right there.
I'm reporting her. I'm actually reporting her.
Your bed is ugly.
You bet.
I'm gonna say you is ugly. You is ugly. Oh, damn it! It came up in hashtags. You is ugly. You is Wait, I'm gonna ugly. Your face.
I'm doing ugly you are.
Ugly you are. Ugly you are. Your face is pop. Your face is pop stars.
I'm gonna report her. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be fine.
Seriously.
Yeah. So
Look at yours.
I need to find out. I need a girl cool. I'm gonna...
Seriously, look at yours.
Girl, cool BF. Swearing, should do... what's that?
Bullying.
Bullying. Because she called us ugly. Submit.
I said, seriously, look at yours. What? I really wish we could switch our dorm, but I love this one so much. I reported you, you know.
LOL.
For bullying. For bullying. How are we gonna kick her out?
Oh, don't worry. I got the right plan. Either tell her to follow you, because, well, you have a better one, but, oh, tell her that you found a cute boy.
Come, I want to show you something.
Say boy. That was so
I love her face.
hers.
Yeah, right now. Look.
Oh yeah, she looks like, you know. To me, she looks kind of worse, but she also looks cute. Not much cute. Not the cute, but the cute. You know what I mean, right? Lock the door. No, just kidding. Unlock the door. Lock the door. I'm stepping on my computer.
This is not your room. This is not your room.
I'm gonna say, it's mine, you idiot.
Oh, now she's in my room? Seriously?
I'm gonna lock mine. I'm gonna lock mine in the back. This is
my room. Oh my god, we're still recording. I totally forgot about that.
Stop recording.
This is my room. Oh my god.
Stop recording.